This is a 1962 Spanish payphone made by CTNE, National Spanish Telephone Company, which is right here in the dial card. And here's the logo of the company. So here's the original dial card with the number. It used to be, this payphone, it used to be in Valencia, and I suppose this number is one number from Valencia, but without the area code, which in those days was missing. You have to look up it or look up it in the directory, because in local calls you didn't have to dial the area code. So here are the instructions of the payphone. You could speak without interruptions while you see tokens through the visor. You used to put the tokens out, these ones. Okay, so you used to take them and put it right over here. You see the marks that it has to fit in the way, and here's the visor where you can see the tokens. If we hang up, okay, you put the token and you see right there, there's a little piece there which is a token. If you have put another one, you can see this right there. You can put 3, 4, the number you want. Oh, I'm sorry. And you can see the tokens that you have there. And it continues. The instruction says you can take the tokens that aren't used hanging the handset. So if we hang the handset, okay, we are going to get the tokens returned. Right there. They are right here. There it is. The tokens. So you have to put at least one token to make a call, because if you remove the handset, you have dial tone, right? But you cannot call. If you try to dial, it doesn't going to dial. Okay, it's not going to dial because it doesn't recognize the pulses that you do. Okay, let's do a demonstration. Okay, we are hearing the dial tone, and if I dial, it continues the dial tone. Do you understand? Okay, so if I just hang the handset, I have the dial tone, and then I put a token and I dial, it's going to dial 069, which is my voice box.
Bienvenido a tu buzón de voz. No tienes mensajes. Menú principal. Para gestionar tu buzón.
So it works. You see, it works, but it needs at least one token. But you can put 2 or 3. And another thing that works well is that if I put a token but the handset is on its place, it won't get inside. I mean, it's automatically returns you the token. So we are just the last thing that's missing is calling back to the payphone. Let's hear it, the ringing sound, which is very similar with it's similar to 500 ringing, because bells are very similar. So let's hear it. So as I told you, it sounds like a 500. Once they're electric, is very similar. I think it must be this nearly the same system. And the only thing that I have to explain is that it used to have two keys. One key for this side, which it opens the machinery and the electric components, and this one, which is right here, that opens a door, a trunk right here over the under the payphone, and it takes releases the system to take the tokens that you spend calling. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions or you want to see the phone or the inside of the payphone, just tell me or say it on the comments. Okay, see you.